Hello guys, this is Asif and you're watching Hi Mobile. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Tap on Instagram. Now tap on Profile. You can see appears on screen top of the right corner three lines. Just tap on it. And now tap on Settings. And now you can see here on screen Accounts. Just tap on it. And finally you can see appears on screen switch to personalized account. Just tap on it and continue. Again and again tap continue. Here is select one category and tap done. Tap on next. Here is follow some few steps and your account is personalized. If the video very helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.